This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Cool. Gorgeous home in the heart of Ghent near New Neon District. Beautiful cherry hardwood floors throughout the first floor, generous open floor plan and natural light make this a welcoming, easy floor plan. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, pantry and large breakfast nook make this beautiful kitchen the heart of the home. Open, airy family room with wood fireplace and bar overlooks the fenced backyard. Spacious primary bedroom with sitting area and updated bathroom. Updated siding, trim, insulation in the attic, and cedar fence. Connected by garage only. Call for potential VA assumption details. For more information, review the details below.